Hey guys, today we are going to learn about waves and types of waves. So what is a wave? Wave is a disturbance created in any material medium. What is a material medium? A material medium is a solid, liquid or gas. So a material medium is a solid, liquid or gas. Now I'm going to tell you a simple experiment which everyone can do at home. So you have to take a stone and a bucket of water. You drop the stone into the bucket of water and you can see immediately that circular rings are formed, and you observe that they are moving towards this side, to the outside of the bucket. So these are called waves and ripples. They can be called the way. So now we are going to see the types of waves. Now there are two types of waves. There are mechanical and non-mechanical. So you may ask, what is the difference between these two? So mechanical waves need solid, liquid or gas for the waves to propagate. But non-mechanical waves, they do not need any material medium. So for mechanical waves, the examples are sound, comma, sound waves, comma, water waves, etc. So these are the examples of mechanical. So for non-mechanical, the examples are light, comma, electromagnetic waves. So these are the examples of mechanical and non-mechanical waves. Now they also have types. So I'm going to first tell you the types of mechanical waves. Now there are two types of mechanical waves. Transverse and longitudinal. So these are the two types of mechanical waves. So I'm going to explain you the transverse waves first. I'm going to tell you a simple thing. We all have played in childhood with rope, right? So this is a man holding a rope, and this is a wall. Now what this man does is he moves the rope like this, and for a naked eye we see that the waves are moving in this direction. Now let's see what is this and what is this. So the upper point of the wave the upper point of the wave is called as crest, C-R-E-S-T, crest, and the bottom point is known as trough. So this is about transverse waves. Now I'm going to talk about longitudinal. So the longitudinal, this is another example. So I'm going to take a syringe. So I'm going to close this end. So in the diagram it will practically look like this. Now I'm going to draw some sections here. And yes, now when you pull the syringe, you collect the air and then you just close this and then you try to push it. Now here there are going to be more air molecules than here, here and here. So this section is called compression, and this section, the free section, is called the rarefaction. So that is about transverse and longitudinal. Now I'm going to just summarize the transverse and longitudinal. In transverse, the waves move in upwards and downwards direction, while in longitudinal the particles move this side. So the direction of particles in longitudinal is this side, and the direction of particles in transverse is up and down. So for transverse waves, mostly it uses solid and liquid as the material medium, and in longitudinal waves it uses mostly gases as the material medium. So this is it. This is part 1. In part 2 I'm going to explain about characteristics of vibration, time period, frequency, wave speed, etc, etc. So for more videos, please like, share and subscribe. We can be amazing.